Hi there and welcome to Face Painting 101. Today I'm going to show you a design that is so popular. I probably paint 50 to 100 a day, and that is a side flower design. You could honestly do this in 45 to 60 seconds depending on how much detail you want to add. Once you get this design down, it might be one of your most popular designs that you could possibly paint. We are going to go from this to this. Let's get started. These are the supplies we're going to be using today. First, with a 3/4 angle brush loaded in the Aqua Arty brush cake, we're going to do 3 flower petals, and the inside of each petal is going to be pointing to the corner of the eye because that is your focal point and you want the design to flow. This color is the most popular split cake that I have, either picked by me or picked by anyone that sits in my chair. They just love this color combination. Then with a 3/8 brush loaded in any green split cake, but here I'm using Fusion Tink by Leanne, we're going to be hugging the eyebrow and the corner of the eye with 2 petals. Then with a number 2 round brush by Blazing Brush, we're going to start doing some teardrops in order to outline your petal. So it's going to go a little thick and then come in thin as we get closer to the eye for the petals and the leaves. Right now, this is my favorite number 2 brush to do these kinds of outlinings, along with doing teardrops and swirls. You could have finished the design right there, but if you feel confident doing teardrops and swirls, this next step is for you. Now, if you're not confident, don't worry. I do have a whole tutorial on how to do teardrops and swirls. I will place that link in the description box below and on top of the video as a banner for you to click on as well. You're going to be adding your teardrops and swirls anywhere that you feel where the design is naked. Adding backward teardrops, adding these petal leaf teardrops. I don't know what they're called, but I love them. Adding some swirls as well. And this is going to be a great design to practice this if you're not confident with it, or you can really show the world how amazing you are. Then you're going to add 3 teardrops on the inside of each petal that are pointing to the corner of the eye because, again, that is your focal point. Then, using a stick-on gem from the Bling bag from Silly Farm, you're going to apply any gem that you like right at the corner of the eye. Lastly, we are adding some beautiful vivid glitter, both Electroshock, which is the green one, and the Blazing Unicorn, which is the purple and pink one. And that particular glitter is also the most popular glitter that everyone chooses. I'll be adding glitter both on the face paint and on the skin. And what you're seeing on the skin is that it's coming to a point near the center of the forehead, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. It's so easy, it's so amazing, it's elegant, anyone will love it. And now we're going to do that exact same design on the practice board. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial through. If you would like the step-by-step, you can find it on our Instagram. That link is in the description box below. And if you would like to hear true stories of what it's like being a face painter, you can find it on my TikTok. It's a lot of fun with a lot of funny stories, and I think with a few situations that you can definitely resonate with. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And that is it for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!